the booba from school, and then we're off to swimming, running late as usual. I don't like being late, but yet I'm always late. I never used to be late. It's a new thing. I like 6 year in the making new thing. 6 year running. It really started happening since I had the little boo-boo. I guess those who have children will know or agree with me that when they're babies, gosh, what a mission to get on time anyway. I guess that's why most things are just always friendly declined, because you sort of weigh up the time you're going to be at the event, the fun element, versus how long is it going to take to prep to get there with baby and all. I mean, it's extra nappies, extra clothes, warm hearts, extra warm hearts in case they poo-poo in their pants, wet wipes, bottle warmer bottles, dummies, toys, more toys in case they get bored with the first toys, and eventually you've got this huge bag that you just drag behind you. So yeah, big mission to go out with little bubs, but it sort of became a trend to just be late, and people accept it because you've got a baby, and then you as the adult just don't grow out of the being late phase. So here I am, 6 years, 6.5 years later, still late. So stressful. Don't know why I can't just leave 5 minutes earlier, get up 5 minutes earlier, or do something the night before. Preparation, that's key. And don't know if it's my imagination, but is the traffic always more intense and drivers more spiteful when I'm late? I mean, don't they know I'm late? Maybe they're late too. Maybe the whole world is late. But that still doesn't explain why some people drive like they don't have licenses. Probably because they don't have licenses. Probably exactly that. Okay, almost there. Amazing day today. The weather is beautiful, sunny, warm. There we go. Someone cursing someone. Gee whiskers. Nervous when I drive into the schoolyard, especially being late. Don't want to bump anyone, especially a kid. Can you imagine? No, I rather won't. So I'm always very nervous when I drive into the schoolyard, watching for other cars, children crossing the roads, people with stop signs, parents, teachers, bags, monkeys. Yeah, even monkeys. Because that's what happens when you are stressed and late. You tend to rush, and that's of course when accidents happen. Okay, let me go get a little boo-boo. I'll be back just now. So, how was your day?
Great.
Great.
Where's today?
What is today?
What is tomorrow?
Today is Wednesday.
Oh, because I thought today was Thursday.
No.
I can't believe I thought.
Why is the wipers on now?
Where? Are you recording yourself?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Mommy is a girl. Mommy is a girl. Mommy is a mom. Mommy is a mom.
It's so hard for me to reverse and go forward.
Mommy,
Yeah?
today,
You strapped in?
yeah, last night I was last night I had the weirdest dream.
What did you dream?
Daddy and me, I think it was by Durban. We were actually it was by Durban. There was like this whole hotel, and we were going to, and we didn't want people to see me and Daddy and this other kid.
And this other kid?
I don't know. I didn't see him so properly.
My glasses, for some reason, are so skewed.
No, this kid is this kid is telling me what to do now.
Huh?
This kid.
Where?
I love
Oh
there.
my gosh, even worse.
Please can you distract?
Even worse.
Is that even worse though?
I don't know. It feels skewed. Wait, what are all those sounds coming from your throat? So what did you do at school? You're not telling me. I've got a guess.
Yes.
Played with numbers.
No.
Not. No maths today. Okay, let's try again. Drawing?
No.
Okay, no art today. Story time?
No. Well, yes, after when it's home time.
Okay, but that's not in school. That's aftercare. Okay, so
No, we a teacher we just well Mrs. Freon we just book when it's home time. With the people, the moms and dads waiting and so there's some time, and then Mrs. Freon actually reads us book when it's nearly home time.
okay. So other than story time, you just played.
Yeah, I did play.
Give me 5. That's awesome stuff. That's what I'd like to hear.
Yeah, but what else we have? We have what you make. We have lunch.
Did you have your lunch?
Yeah.
Did you eat your banana?
No.
Oh, boo-boo. I told you what's going to happen if you don't eat your fruits and vegetables.
Yeah, I know.
Rotten teeth, bad eyes.
I thought maybe you were gonna say no junk food. Please tell me.
You got hiccups, mister.
Yeah. That's why I'm sick. That's
How did you feel today?
fine. Not that great.
Sit on your bum bum, please.
No.
So you're safe.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Today, John Joey's.
Hey?
Joey's.
What's that?
John Joey's.
Oh no, Baba, it's no time.
Oh.
We'll have to do that over the weekend. It's on the other side of town, my love. And we've now got to go do swimming, then we've got to go back home.
Well, sorry, when we get home, we can't go home today because we have to go to John Joey's. And are you going to read me a book today?
Yes.
My library.
Yep, I will.
Because
These glasses are actually in my way. So is the hair. Oh, just having a bad hair to pull in. So many cars.
Doesn't matter.
Did you feel very sick?
No,
Not.
I do have hiccups.
Hiccups? When last did you see a white horse?
I didn't see a white horse.
You did.
When?
A while ago.
But it doesn't mean. I wish I never seen a white horse.
Think when? Think hard and long. When last did you see a
I
white
don't
horse?
know.
Yeah, but you've got to think.
Please, can you tell me?
Oh, I can't remember. I know you did. But you've got to remember where and when.
The college?
Sure.
Maybe.
Can you see the horse in front of you? So you're sure that's where you saw it?
No.
Well, then you've got to think harder.
I wish I never seen a white horse.
The white horses are stunning.
Mom, I showed.
Special creature.
I saw a white horse today.
Where?
A little toy one.
No, I'm talking about a real one.
Is that like, if you see real ones, will you get hiccups?
No.
Even if you see toys ones.
No, we're not talking about toy ones. We're talking about real ones. Come, think. When did you see it?
Don't know.
Well, think harder.
No. No means no, and yes means yes. 'Cause and don't know means don't know. Yes means yes. So I don't know. Jinx!
Jinx what?
Don't you know what jinx means?
I know what jinx means, but what happened? Why are you jinxing?
So you can be quiet.
I must be quiet.
Jinx! Where's your chat box?
I'm a chatterbox.
Jinx! So that means you can't talk. Jinx! So that means you also can't move.
I'm not so sure that's what jinx means.
Jinx!
Jinx is if you both say the same thing or do the same thing.
You must still jinx. You have to be quiet. As long as you live. You mustn't even say
So what I'm gonna do today
Jinx!
is I'm gonna park the other way around so you can get out on the grass side and not the road side. Because it's
jinx.
too
Stop.
careful. Oh, too dangerous.
I said jinx, so that means you must be quiet.
All these cars coming by.
Jinx.
Did you hear what I said?
Jinx. Jinx, jinx.
Oh, my nose is so itchy from this flu.
Jinx. Jinx, jinx. Jinxie. Jinxie. Jinx, jinx. Mommy, you jinx, so you can't talk even 1 minute.
Okay, let me rather go turn around, yeah.
It's going to take so long to walk. It's going to take so far to walk there. Jinx. You mustn't talk when I say jinx, Mom. Don't you dare say one more word. If you dare say peep, you're going to go to the devil.
Okay, now you can get safely out that side.
But then that means you're not going to be safe.
I will be safe.
How do you know? Whoa!
Be careful the door. It's going to hurt the door because it's a steep side. Get out so long.
Okay. I can't pull it.
Push it. Be careful your fingers. And guess what? try that with your children. Ask them when last did they see a white horse or something. The thinking somehow makes the hiccups disappear. Don't ask me why. Maybe you can figure out what that is and drop it in the comment box.